Now, if you don't have many power tools or have a limited budget or a space and still want some of the benefit of different type of rotary tools, you are in the right place. Now, it's true, you can mount every one of these on your drill, but the problem is your drill won't gonna spin fast enough. In order to perform well, a lot of these tools require a much higher speed than an average drill. In this video, I'm gonna show you a trick that you can mount all of these tools on an angle grinder. Because most people own an angle grinder, but they don't want to invest a lot to buy a rotor which they use only a couple of times a year. But there is a tiny problem. Normal chocks usually won't fit on an angle grinder. But I just have the right solution for it. Watch the video until the end. I measured the angle grinder thread with my metric thread gauge and turns out the thread's distance is 2 mm. And due to the lack of the right equipment, I guess the diameter is 14 mm. That means that's an M14 by 2 mm thread. So I went for my 3 pieces set of M14 by 2 taps. According to the metric drill tap chart, I have to drill the chalk with a 12 mm drill before start tapping. Then I started with my first tap on a free drill wise on my workbench because the camera setup was already there. But halfway through the second tap, I realized I was just too naive. So I switched to my big ass fixed vise and finished the job. I just wanted to note that in my build during the drilling process something went wrong and probably I didn't align the chuck properly, so it has some wobble to it when rotates, and that's why I didn't demonstrate using it. But if you drill the hole properly, yours will work just fine. Anyway, thanks for watching guys.